what to say.
This is obviously Liam's first time trying to do...
Hi, Instagram!
Oh my god.
Don't wave at a photo.
He always waves when we try to take a photo. That just doesn't make sense. Anyway, say hello to people.
Hi everyone. Thanks very much for showing us so much support yesterday when we announced that we bought a double-decker bus. It's still kind of settling in for us, is it? It still hasn't settled in. No, that's not the right word. What is it? Stop it. But what's the word?
Sank in?
Sank in, that's it. Settled in. Jeez. Still hasn't settled in.
No, you just said settled in again.
No, what's the word? Sank in. Sorry, yeah, I was getting
But
confused.
I don't know is that how you'd say it either.
No, I don't know.
Anyway, we bought a double-decker bus.
Still a bit surreal. Although we got all the seats up.
You say it like it was easy.
No, I had help. I'm a bit of a wuss around angle grinders.
Yeah, like really scared of angle grinders.
Yeah.
That was a new revelation for someone who decided they'd buy a bus and renovate it.
I didn't know we'd need an angle grinder.
Hey Liam. Yeah, Alex? You want to buy a double-decker bus? Yeah. Did you do your research? I sure did, Alex. I researched everything.
I watched every YouTube video going. What other research do you need?
So, do you know how to renovate a bus? Sure!
Yeah.
Day one.
I learned how to drive on YouTube. Haven't had an accident yet.
Day one.
GTA and YouTube. Sorted.
The seats aren't coming up. What should we do? Angle grinder. I don't like angle grinder.
Yeah, luckily we had someone who's not afraid of angle grinders.
Yeah.
Although in any pictures you see of someone using an angle grinder, it's actually me, right? No.
So yeah.
I'm taking the credit.
But yeah, we got like a really nice response yesterday, so that was nice.
Yeah, really good, yeah. Plus when we go and get coffees and stuff, everyone's asking about it, so it's nice. We
go to Hatter Tea Room, which is local to us, which has been nice because you go in there and they're like, so what are your plans for the day? We went in two separate times. There's two different people in there, and like both times we're like, oh, we're just renovating a double-decker bus.
As you do.
Hashtag
lockdown project.
Very good. Look at them using hashtags. I mean,
learning.
Vocally, verbally, not necessarily in the text, but that's fine. But yeah, so we'll try and record the entire process.
Yeah, we have a video where we're doing stuff about the chairs to move. Like, yeah. See, can I turn the thing? No, I can't.
No, don't change the... But yeah, so you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram and
TikTok.
Oh my god. You know what? To all you children out there is 100% like a job in being a TikTok director.
It's hard, yeah.
Like, don't be like a social media manager. There's plenty of those around, including me. But like, I just TikTok. Oh god. Yeah. So.
We haven't started doing dances yet. But it's on the cards. When we clear here, we can have like an upstairs dance studio.
You don't like dancing?
That's because I don't know how.
And you want to
some choreography.
Choreography, is it?
What's the word?
Choreography.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay.
Pause.
No.
No?
I don't know. Like, what else do you want to tell the people?
Don't know. My arm's getting tired.
This is going to be such a long process.
Okay, I'm going to press pause.